All you need is 4 brush. One angle brush for applying your eyebrow pomade, another brush for contouring your eyebrows, and you need for blending out your concealer and eyebrow brush. And then you need an eyebrow pomade. This is actually what I use. I remember I bought this from Weibo Peel. It's in the black brown color. And the concealer that I'll be using to contour my eyebrows will be from LA Gold in the shade Fawn. If you can actually see clear, if the camera zoom it properly, so you could read that. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows tutorial. This is an eyebrows tutorial that I brought for you, and as you can see right there, I am already started with one of the eyebrows. So I'm showing you now how I achieve that eyebrow. So what I actually do is I take my angle brush, which is, as you can see right there, this is the one that I'm using to shape my eyebrows. So I start by drawing on the side, but make sure that you are not close to the, I mean, between your eyes. So make sure you are more on the back of the eyebrow, as you can see right there. And I like my eyebrows to be kind of like dark, but basically not really dark. I like to have a little bit of space between the hair, as you can see right there. And there, especially there, it's very important. You see there right now where I am? Make it, use only the remaining product on the brush, and just to make it look a bit fade, because you don't want your eyebrows just to look like a box, especially at the front, like at the beginning of the brows. So that's it. This is one of the easiest and my favorite part is eyebrows. And just comb my eyebrow through just to make sure that there's no pomade, like uh, some products like stock. I like everything to be so defined. As you can see right there, that's it. So easy. Now I'm moving on. I'm going to contour my eyebrows using my concealer, like I say, from LA Girls. And I like to start from the front, like almost between my eyebrows. I like to start there, like contouring it. And guys, this is my favorite part. There's nothing I enjoy the most than contouring my eyebrows. This is my favorite part. Seriously, guys. So guys, yes, as you can see right there, the easiest part, or like I say, my favorite part. So what you do is just make sure that you just properly blend the concealer nicely, so that it doesn't look um how can I say, it doesn't look weird, like kind of like puffy. It should look like really blended into your skin. And I basically use the same shade for this concealer. I use the same shade to contour my upper and bottom of my eyebrows. Yes. Yes, guys, thank you very much for tuning in, my subscriber. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll always be notifying when I'm posting new videos. More new tutorials are coming for y'all. So get ready. Get ready. And on this side, I find it a bit easier if I'm like doing it from this angle, and then at the end of the brow I'm turning it the brush on the other side, so it's just much easier on this side of my brow. Wow, guys, I'm sorry, don't mind about my forehead. I know I got some pimples and some dots there. I don't know, something was with my skin, like it started breaking out. I don't know what. And I like to put a concealer also between my eyebrows, just to make sure that everything will look super natural. And now moving on to blending in my concealer, like I said. So I prefer using a brush rather than a sponge. Depends on you. If you prefer a blender sponge, you can, but I prefer using a brush. For me, it's quite easier and quite comfortable and just manageable rather than blending. But what matters is that you blend it properly and then that's it. There's no rule in makeup. That's one thing I love. Yes, I make sure that I properly brush out all the concealer, like blend it properly. And between your eyebrows is very important. Make sure that you make everything clear so that all your eyebrows will look neat and natural. And I go in again with my eyebrow brush and just brush everything out, and voila, that's the end. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to comment down below what you think about this tutorial. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you on my next video. See ya.